Alright then, ladies and gentle peeps, this is not all screwed together. The banjo support isn't actually bolted to the bed. The main lead screw can come through. There's nothing on the end here to hold this on, but we are currently set up for threading, and I would like to do a test. I haven't tested this yet, but in theory this is set up to do threading at 1.25 pitch metric. It's a question of ratios. We have a 3mm lead screw, and the ratio 1.25 is 5/4. So it gives you 5/4 multiplied by 3 is 5/12. Well, divided by 3 is 5/12. So I need 5 rotations here to 12. No, 5 rotations here to 12 here. Or 12 here to 5 here. So the setup is relatively simple. 5/12 is 50/120. So I could put a 50 on here with a 120 on here, but I don't have 120 gear. Therefore we use 25 and 60 and something in the middle. And that should get me a 1.25mm pitch thread, which is what we've got queued up in the chuck, with a pointer. And I'm going to turn this lamp around. This will come on when I turn the lathe on. And we will hopefully watch that move at the same speed as this M8 thread. And there are some very aggressive flies today because it's one of those days where we've got storms coming in. So anyway, right, let's start things up. So we have lights, we have a lead screw which is rotating, we have gears that are working, a fly on my ear, fuck off fly, and here we go for some, can you see that? Let's see whether we can get a focus on the actual lead screw. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Come on you fucker. Focus there. No, not down there. Focus there. There we go. I think. Maybe not. But we'll see what happens. So there we are. We are feeding, and we're feeding at the speed of that M8 screw, despite the fact that I think this is probably out of focus. I'm going to try not to crash the carriage. Well, isn't that magical? What can you do? Further work is required, obviously, but things are becoming things. Flies are becoming a nuisance. So there you go. The lathe that dare not speak its name is becoming a lathe.